You got that something that can't be seen. You got that one thing that's hard to...
Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an Amazon and a SAMS delivery haul and going through that with you guys. I'm going to be picking up the bedroom and also the living room and wiping down the sofa. And of course I have some laundry motivation for you today. So if you are ready for this motivation, and if you are new here, welcome, and please hit that subscribe button and that ring bell notification so you don't miss another upload from me. And if you're returning, thank you so much for watching my video today. And while you're watching, let me know what you guys are working on today as well.
Oh, I never knew love would come and find me one day.
And you parents, I'm sitting here just thinking while I'm doing this video is that school is getting ready to start in a couple weeks everywhere. Here in Florida, in the county that I live in, school starts on August 24th. And I can't help but think about what is going to be happening in these schools with this coronavirus. We are opting to keep Chase home just because he has underlying health issues. So we're going to be keeping him home. But parents, are you guys ready for this? I mean, if you're doing telelearning or having your kids go to school, are you parents really ready for school to start? Let me know below.
Do you? Can you visualize?
Okay, you guys, so now that I'm done tidying up the bedroom, I am going to spray Miss Meyer's mint scent room freshener in the room. You guys know that I love that smell. If you haven't tried it, please get you some from Grove Collaborative or either Target. I think they both sell it. It is absolutely amazing.
I'm waiting to let you know how much you want.
Okay, you guys, so I was coming in the kitchen to start cleaning, and then my kids came in here, my two older kids. You guys, very rare do they come in these videos, but this is my son, my oldest son, Jonte, and then my daughter Zara is gonna come in as well. We're just messing around in the kitchen, having fun. They're not helping me clean, but they are coming to just play around.
When I think about you, I want that, all that time. Oh, you get what
So you guys, a little bit of fun. Okay, so now I have got to get this kitchen clean because it is a hot mess. So that is what I'm getting ready to work on. Here we go. Now I'm kind of in the mode of cleaning after dancing with my kids. So if anybody ever know, those are my two oldest kids, and they want to be in my videos today. But yeah, here we go. So now what I'm going to do before getting started in the kitchen, I am going to go ahead and get a load of laundry started, and that way while this is washing, I can be in the kitchen and then it should be done, so I can just throw it into the dryer and get those folded sometime today.
Now what if we could move on?
I don't know if I've ever told you guys, but when I do laundry, I put 1 scoop of OxyClean in every load just to help with stains and smells, and also I use vinegar as well in my laundry. I am still on the hunt for Lysol laundry deodorizer. For some reason, I cannot find it anywhere. I have looked online, every store you can think of, but I'm looking every day and I'm gonna find it because everyone raves about it and I definitely want to give it a try. So if you guys know where it's at or if you've seen it, please let me know below so that way I can order some and get it shipped.
Give me a chance, yeah baby, try, just one more night, then make up your mind, please don't say that it's goodbye, bye, if you just believe it, I know we can make it, we used to be strong, love, don't forget where you're coming from, a heart like that, don't give up that easily, I wanna see you be mad, yeah, get mad at me, I'm sorry for making you feel like you're not good enough, cause you're the best, you know, I'm sorry for making you feel like you're not good enough, give me a chance, yeah baby, try, just one more night, then make up your mind, please don't say that it's goodbye, bye, if you just believe it, I know we can make it, dance the night away. I let my hair down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want.
Okay, so now the kitchen is all clean. My clothes have stopped in the wash, so I'm gonna throw those into the dryer. And then after that, my husband is going to bring the delivery from the front door into the kitchen, so that way I can go ahead and get those boxes all open and get that stuff put away and go through that haul with you guys.
Looks like you can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
Okay, you guys, so all the boxes that you guys saw that that my husband just bought into here, I went through and opened them all up. So I'm gonna show you guys what all I got from Sam's and from Amazon real quick. And it's not that many things, it's just a few things that I don't have to worry about going out to get, so I can just order and they deliver here to the house, which is super, super easy. And I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Okay, so I got Capri Suns, I got some Dow soap, Premier Protein, because I'm trying to do keto because I need to lose some weight, because being home has just definitely added to it. I got some Olay soap. You guys remember on my last one, I actually did a drawer declutter, and I did not like the way the other ones looked in my drawer, so I ended up buying these, and we're gonna put them in here, and I probably will do it today just to go through and put those inside of here, and I think that they will look so much better. And then I also got I got some Q-tips, but you guys, I got so many freaking Q-tips. So these Q-tips here, like, I guess if I bought, I had to buy two, so that's why I have a whole bunch of Q-tips, and I have these, but I didn't know that it was gonna be that many Q-tips. So anyway, we have two of those, and then I have toilet paper because this stuff is coming, and I have paper towels, two of those, and I think that's all that I have. That is all that was in. And so all of those boxes there, I'm gonna have my husband break those boxes down and put them in the garage, and that's pretty much all that I have. Okay, so now I'm going to get started putting everything away that I got from Sam's, and then I'm gonna put those drawers organizers in that I got from Amazon.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that.
Yes, you guys, I really like the way these look. They look so much better, I think, than the others that I bought. I actually returned those, and I ordered these because the first ones I had were not long enough, and they kept moving in the drawer. I actually do have more spoons and forks in these, but they're in the dishwasher.
I'm sober, just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm so.
Okay, you guys, I'm gonna put this laundry away and then I'm gonna move on to the living room. I'm gonna start off by, it's not that bad, I'm just gonna straighten it up a little bit and then I'm gonna wipe these couches down. I do have a leather conditioner that I do use to wipe them down every now and then, or I use vinegar and just water and a microfiber cloth. And I just go through and wipe the, the most used parts, like where your arms go and the seat cushions and things like that.
Find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light, till the morning light.
If you've made it this far, thank you so much for rocking with me, and please leave some big pink hearts in the comment section so I know you made it to the end. So this is it for today. I hope this video gave you some ideas and some motivation. Before you leave, please comment below, tell me what you were doing while you were watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!